Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find all of the difficult ice creams in the find the ice cream. I don't know what to call it. First, the invisible one, you're just going to jump down the sewer and you're going to basically, oh, did I find it? Oh, not yet. Okay. I need to jump here, kind of. Or did I get it yet? Okay, there we go. It's the invisible ice cream. Then to get the cloud ice cream and the moon one, you'll have to jump on this obby here. This is my little brother playing the obby because I can't do obbies. So thank you. Shout out to him. You're just going to jump on the trampoline, and as you can see, there's some clouds there. You have to kind of jump on it. And once you have retrieved the cloud ice cream, there is like an invisible trampoline here. So you're just going to have to trust me and just jump. Go up and make sure you go forwards a little bit. Then you're just going to jump on the moon, do more obbies, and be careful and just claim, well, just get the moon ice cream. Here's just my brother adjusting on where to jump. And we got the moon ice cream. Next is the glitch ice cream. It's a little bit hard to obtain. Go to this room and click on the board there. And here's just me and my brother struggling. At first I tried doing it, but then I gave up and let my brother do it. And here's just basically how he did it. Here, I'll cut to it. So finally he did it. I don't know how, but you're just going to jump up here and you'll be able to get the glitched ice cream. To get the snow ice cream, you'll just go to the snowy place here and just follow my footsteps. It's in a hidden room. So basically jump up here. I just claimed this ice cream. And then you're just going to jump up here and there will be a hidden room. You're just going to jump and you'll be able to claim that ice cream, the prehistoric ice cream. And for the Yeti ice cream, there's actually a bunch of codes hidden around this area. I'm not bothered enough to show you guys where it is one by one. It's 2810. I entered it incorrectly the first time. I forgot to press 0. So make sure you press 2810. Press the green button and there is the Yeti ice cream. And for the beach ball one, you're just going to go to the beach and you're going to press on that beach ball. I don't know why I turned this way. And then you're going to type in the correct answer, which is 2783 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry, 2673. Okay, so it's /E2673. And last but not least, the troll ice cream, you'll have to go to the beach and you'll have to go underwater. Here I'll just go underwater and there will be a troll face in which you need to press, which is here. So press on it and you'll be teleported to this obby. This obby is a little bit tricky, so here is my brother doing it. I won't speed it up so you guys can see. There's like some invisible ones. Okay, so this is the rundown. You're going to jump on this one and just walk and then jump again. Then jump and you're going to turn left. And there's a gap somewhere here. Or, okay, you just turn right. And then there's a gap there. And then you're going to turn right again. And you're just going to jump there. And this is a trick my brother uses. You look up a little bit so you can see the gap in between the obbies. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!